Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to save a number in WhatsApp. There are two primary methods to add a new contact. You can either save a number directly from an existing chat conversation, or you can add the contact through your phone's native address book application. Both approaches are straightforward and ensure the contact becomes available for messaging within WhatsApp. We will cover each method in detail, making it simple to connect with new people. To save a number from an active chat, first open the conversation with the unsaved contact. Next, tap on the phone number displayed at the very top of the chat screen. This action will present you with options. Select Add to Contacts or Create New Contact, then simply fill in the necessary contact details like their name. Once saved, this person will be readily available in your WhatsApp contacts. If you prefer to add a contact through your phone's address book, begin by opening your device's native contacts application. Locate and tap the option to create a new contact entry. Carefully enter the full phone number, ensuring you include the correct country code for international numbers. After inputting their name and any other desired information, save the contact. This method integrates seamlessly with WhatsApp. After successfully saving a new contact, it is important to refresh your WhatsApp contacts list to ensure it appears. Open WhatsApp and tap on the green New Chat icon, typically found in the bottom right corner. From there, you can search for the newly added contact by their name. Once found, you can immediately begin a new conversation with them, making connecting effortless.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.